In this video, I'm going to show you how to rate photos in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up the folder in Adobe Bridge where your photos are. So for me here, I just have the same photo copied over and over again, but you'll get the point when I show you how to actually rate them. So you can click on a specific photo, it's going to preview here on the right. You could also go ahead and double click the preview and it's going to kind of open up full screen, which of course shows you a better detail of the image, stuff like that, if you want to do some analysis on it. And then of course you could do that or just leave it like this, like I'm having it right now on the right. Now to rate photos, you want to select the photo either in the preview mode, so in full screen, or like this, and then you can use your arrow keys to move up or down, left or right. And then when you actually come across a photo you want to rate, hold down your Control key on your keyboard, and then next to your Control key also press key which is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. As you can see, the amount of stars is changing over here, as well as over here below the photo inside the preview. So again, you have to press Control and 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on which number of stars you want to give it. So I'm going to go over here, press Control 1, there we go, 1 star, 2, 3 stars, Control 3, 3 stars, Control 4, 4 stars, and then Control 5, 5 stars. Now, that's how you rate them. Of course, you could also use colors. So to use colors, you can use them together with stars or separately. You want to do the same thing, just use the rest of the numbers. So Control plus 6 will give you this, 7 will give you that, and then 8 is going to give you green, 9 is going to give you that, and then 0 is going to give you basically nothing, okay? It's just going to kind of make it it's not going to do anything. So yeah, that's pretty much how we can do this. And of course you can give these colors a rating as well over here. So if I put on, for example, let's say green, and then I put on 4, as you can see, I have 4 stars and then a green. So yeah, that's how you do this. That's how you rate photos. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.